Another thing to keep in mind when you're moving in a bachata is that you want to keep your hands around waist level or slightly above, just around your waist. You don't want your hands to be down to the side, or you don't want them to be up super high like you're boxing or something. You want it to be here around waist level, so that way when you're moving 1, 2, 3, 4, it's kind of leveled with your waist and it looks a lot more natural when you're moving. Now we're gonna go over the 2-step basic. So as the name implies, it's just the 2-count basic step. So you're gonna start off moving out on your right foot on that 1, and then bringing in your left foot to a tap on that 2, and then bringing out your left foot on that 3, and then bringing in your right foot on that 4 to a tap. So I'm saying 4 counts, but it's really just a 2 and 2, so it's more like a 1 tap, 1 tap, 1 tap. So it's really just a weight shift that you're doing. You're just going side, tap, side, tap, side, tap, side, tap. And this is really just used to either help get back on count if you lost the rhythm, or like maybe the beginning or ending of the song where it's really slow and you're still kind of trying to get into the beat before the song has like really started up. So that's where the 2-step is used in bachata.